See, I've just got the first 2 rows of the feather and fan done. Okay, so that's that one. This is the same colours as the big baby blanket that I did, because I'd got some yarn left. So I thought, ooh,
hang on.
That sounds nice. I was just going to straighten it out a bit so you could see. I'll fold it over. You can sort of get a better view of it. Okay. So that's that one. That one's in James C. Brett, and it's James C. Brett double knitting. Okay, it's the Aurora, and this one is, oh, it's just got a colour AU08, so it's Aurora 08.
The label up.
There we go. And I've got another full 100 grams. It's 377 yards, so I think that'll be enough to do this one. So that's that one that I'm working on. And then I decided I'd quite like to do one. I've got this yarn, and it's a coffee colour. And this is actually coming up a little bit smaller, but then it's actually nowhere near completed the increasing yet. So it will be a bit bigger by the time I finish. And that's going to be paired with a cream. So when I get to the end of the increases, there'll be a row of cream. And then at the bottom of the cape, there will be a row of feather and fan in cream. And then the edging that comes up and round the neck and back down and then comes back up and does the buttonholes will also be in cream. So that's the idea. I think that'll work. I'm sure you'll tell me if you think it won't. And that's in, oh, I've lost the...
Wilma says, I'm using James C. Brett 100% cotton yarn in blues for my granny square jumper.
Oh, how lovely. Who said that?
Wilma.
Oh, Wilma, that sounds beautiful. This is a So Crafty double knit yarn. Okay, 100 grams. It's ever so soft. It's lovely and soft and squidgy.
Squidgy.
Squidgy, yeah, squidgy. A good yarn is always squidgy, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah.
Can have a
you
squidge.
Don't do, eh?
Can have a squidge.
No. You can have a little squidge there.
There?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Only a little squidge. Only a little squidge. And then the cream is a Yarn Fair double knitting. And this one's machine wash and tumble dry. And it just says it's cream. So there's 100 grams there as well.
Keep it still.
Oh, sorry.
There you go.
I'm moving it all over the place. So there we go. So I'll do a bit of this now. So this is the increasing. And I've got to the stage. Yeah, that's right.
Snowy Cat says, love the colours of the Aurora yarn.
Yes, it's absolutely beautiful. That's the James C. Brett. So it is beautiful.
Terry says, it's 3:28 p.m. here, so rainy, been raining every Saturday for 12 Saturdays in a row.
Oh my goodness, that's not fun.
Well, we had a near-on thunderstorm this afternoon.
We did, yes.
But it missed us.
Was, yeah, and then it just sailed past. So on this, you just do trebles, and then you do 2 trebles into the same stitch on there. And then you do trebles along to the next one. So I've done a few of these. Whoops, there's the next one where it's 2 into the 1 stitch. You can see the 2 there making the V, and it's always into the first. You do the 2 into the first stitch, and it works the same when you're going back that way. You're still working into the first stitch. Okay, so I think I'll do a bit